I got super sexy recipe. Prawns, chili, garlic. All real simple, but when you put it together, it tastes fucking amazing.
Show me.
We can start with the prep, so we just got a few things to cut. Some garlic, some onion, and some ginger.
I have an announcement.
What do you want?
That I am Spartacus.
I'm Spartacus.
Oh, you think you're Spartacus, do you? Garlic, good old-fashioned slice. Onion, you're gonna want to chop it real fine. Ginger. What you want to do with ginger, slice it up thin, and then slice it up long. Ed Sheeran. Done. So that's your three basics on the side. Now we've got pock choy. This is going to be going in. I can say enough good things about pock choy. Super tasty, super healthy, super nice.
Oh, you're gonna say super sexy.
It is super sexy. Also, an anti-estrogen.
Also, anti-estrogen. Takes away your estrogen levels.
I think it just blocks it off. So basically, if you're a man, you don't want no estrogen up inside you. Which obviously, you got a lot of estrogen in you, because you're a little bitch.
God, you'll find out how much estrogen I have, sunshine. You'll fucking find out, son. You'll find out. Question my estrogen levels.
So oil in the pan, and what you do, you start off from slow. You wait for it to get like warmish, and then you go in with these. Because they're cut so small and so thin, they cook really quickly. So by the time the pan's hot enough for the prawns, they'll be cooked.
Not hearing much sizzling going on.
What's going on? Must be broken. Does this work?
Yeah, that's got some sizzle going on. You know what they say. If it doesn't sizzle, it ain't worth shizzle.
Oh! I like it. That's a good one. You know what I mean? I'm proud of you.
It's because I ain't got no estrogen in my body. That's why.
Those love handles are definitely screaming estrogen.
I'll show you about fucking love handles. How about that, mate? I'll fucking show you about love handles. How about that? Fucking mug.
Fucking mug. Now you see, smell is insane. And we're starting to get a little bit of colour. The onions have gone translucent. And we're going to go in with some dried chillies.
Woo! That do be smelling good.
Feel like I need a wee bit more oil. Smoked paprika. All over that shit. We're going to go over some prawns. Straight in. I said this before in my videos. Prawns cook super quick. So we're going to follow up straight with the greens. What's this spoon business about when you can just toss it around?
Especially when you're a master tosser like you.
Ain't nothing wrong with that. Last little bit, you're going to get a green chili and you're going to get some spring onion. And just chop them together. Just remember, Emil, after I'm done, make sure you clean the fucking floor, man. Hit it with some salt now. You're my world. So now it's probably about 80% cooked. So you're gonna hit it with these two ingredients. It's really nice when you have like a mild chili and spring onion to go right at the end. Flavor you get is insane. So you know your prawns are cooked and they look like that. They curl up, they go pink and two indistinct. Finish yourself off with a little bit of lemon juice. So I've probably been cooking for about, how long has this tape been on now?
It's been on 11 minutes, mate.
11 minutes. All done, 11 minutes. Now this you can if you wanted to, you could eat it with rice or pasta or anything really, but I mean, I'm not going to.
I feel like you're scared of the carbs because you don't want to put in the cardio time.
Yeah. So your pock choy at the bottom of the plate. And then pile your prawns up on top. How's that look in the meal tube?
It's looking very sexy.
That, there's nothing wrong with it. I can't say anything wrong with it. And now we're gonna get naughty. Finish it off. Sriracha sauce.
Woo!
Just all over the top.
Just give me the love.
See, this is one of those dishes that say if you're doing a load of dishes for a dinner party.
Yeah.
You wanna do 6 or 7. mean, this is great because you can just whip it up in like 10 minutes and everyone's gonna like it.
That's a great dish.
Wow.
It's simple, it's zesty, it's fresh, it's lovely. Put that with a carb, you're onto something.
Life gives you lemons.
Eat spring onions, man. Oh, that's
Oh,